Here in this video, let's use NETSTAT command and try to capture some states. I am running Prometheus monitoring on Raspberry Pi, and I will host a Docker container where I will run node exporter, and then we will break those connection and try to capture some of the states. All the information will be displayed on the screen. If you have any doubts or questions, please post it on the comment section. Thank you. Here you can see the Prometheus service is running. It has a config file where we can mention the endpoints. For example, here you can see it is continuously scraping every 15 seconds those two endpoints. So 104 is our desktop a Docker instance. So we will scrape it every 15 seconds and we'll break the connection. So now what we will do is we will run a Docker container which listens on port 9100, and later we'll break this connection. Now the service is listening on 9100. We should see the connection established. Yeah. Now let's break the connection. And now the Raspberry Pi will now start sending sent again because it will try to actively talk to the Docker container. And now I will run NetStat on my host machine, which is my laptop, and here you can see the status in time wait. As soon as I start the Docker container again, we should see established. And now I will try to close the connection and see if I can capture some other states. Yeah, now you can see the last egg state, and here are some close weight connections. Just I wanted to show it on the screen.